So in the middle of a racing discussion with some local turfites, the issue came up of female jockeys in Jamaica. At the moment, there are about 5 or 4 active female riders at Caymanas Park trying to survive in this male-dominated sport of horse racing. They have to match their skills against male riders who are physically stronger and faster. They're not getting the quality rides, which make it even double harder for them to compete. Horse race riding remains probably the only sport in the world where men and women compete directly against each other. So the suggestion to the operators of racing in Jamaica is to have a female jockeys championship separate from a male jockeys championship. So they continue to ride in the same races and compete against each other. But at the end of the year, we would have, for example, Dane Nelson or Anthony Thomas winning the male jockey championship with 85 winners, while Natalie Berger or Samantha Fletcher, for example, would be declared the female jockey champion with any amount of winner when they ride, even if it's 5 or 6. That would salvage some equality from the situation. What a brilliant suggestion. Think about it. What an absolutely genius suggestion. Yes, well done, Turfites. Well done, Maurice. Well done.